Hi, it's Pam from Southern Oklahoma Library System. Good morning. Today I have a special program that's using essential oils with a peppermint. It's a peppermint hand scrub. And as always before, this program is brought to you courtesy of a grant from the Department of Oklahoma Libraries, the Oklahoma Department of Libraries, and the Institute of Museum and Library Services, as well as Southern Oklahoma Library System. We're all under a lot of stress, and even today it's even worse because it's cold and you don't know what's going to happen now. You're at work, but how are you going to get home and blah, 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 you know that. Today I'm going to make this hand scrub that you can use for a little gift, or it's just good for you to do at home. There's 3 ingredients. It's not a big deal at all, so it's cheap and inexpensive. Cheap and fun to make, easy to do. So all you need is just regular sugar, some kind of an oil, and I've chosen sweet almond oil, and essential oils, peppermint. I'm also going to add in some of these peppermint. I found this peppermint candy that I can buy by bulk. It's already chopped up. I do have at my house, like I'm sure some of you do too, these candy canes that we didn't get eaten at Christmas time. So you can pound those up if you want, but I'm going to do the shortcut easy way. So first you start off with 2 cups of sugar. Then you add in, the recipe says ½ a cup of this almond oil, almond oil. I used 3/4 of a cup because when I made it yesterday, it didn't seem to, any scrub I buy is always kind of, has a little bit of liquid floating on it, so I wanted it to be more like that. So that's what I'm using, and then like 15 drops of peppermint oil. Essential oil. Now this is not something that you should probably eat, even though it probably wouldn't hurt you if you did. I wouldn't recommend eating it. This is a scrub. You can use it anywhere on your body. You can use it on your face. I'd be careful with my face, but your hands, the rest of your body is fine. So that was like 15 drops of that peppermint essential oil, and then this is about ½ a cup of that crushed peppermint candy. I'm going to mix this all together. And it makes this really pretty pink. Like I said, it's a really good idea for a gift. If you need a small gift for like your mail carrier or a teacher for Valentine's Day, these are really cute. I have lots of cute jars here at the library that I use. This little bitty size, that's probably about 2 ounces, maybe 1 ounce, and then these over here. So you just mix this all up good, and see that even now it's still kind of dry, so I'm going to add just a little bit more, and I put in 3/4 of a cup as opposed to the 1 cup that it calls for, so I'm going to just put in a little bit more of this almond oil. You can use any kind of oil that is mild or has a mild scent, like you could use grapeseed oil or extra virgin olive oil. And it still doesn't have the consistency. Probably you almost need a whole cup of that stuff. And yesterday when I did it, I thought, oh, 3/4 of a cup would be plenty, but it's not. Probably a whole cup. And if it's too much, just add a little bit more sugar. It's not like this is rocket science. Okay, so I've mixed this up, and it's this pretty pink color. I mixed some up earlier that is white. It still smells pepperminty because I put the peppermint extract in it, but this smells more pepperminty because I've added a candy. You can layer this in these jars. See the little pink and white layers? So that looks pretty. Then you just, all you gotta do is just mash it in there, fill it up. You can use a pretty bow on it. But this morning I forgot my ribbon because I was running out of the house late, and we decided that I shouldn't drive because it was icy outside. So there you have it. Just pack it down here. Put your lid on it. And you're good to go. You can put on the top of it, I put these little circles that I cut out of wrapping paper. You can put peppermint hand scrub, peppermint sugar scrub. Decorate it any way you want. Like I said, a ribbon would be pretty. And this is here because I was going to chop up these candy canes. And I left my mallet at home today too. So, you guys, happy Valentine's Day. If you need this for a gift, if not, just use it for yourself. I did do some research on peppermint scrub, on peppermint essential oil, and it does some relief in like headaches. I just find it a very soothing scent. I like peppermint. So even though there's not a whole lot of research saying how healthy it is for you, it's very soothing to me. So peppermint, if you want something else, you could use another essential oil. Happy Valentine's Day. See y'all later.